What's up, y'all? It's Ray Dog from YT. Back with another video today. I'll be showing y'all how to get money as a teenager or any age. Make sure y'all like, comment, sub, and so I can get notifications when I drop. And let's get right into it. Number one, you can start cutting grass. You don't have to be that old. You can be 11 and start cutting grass. So what I want y'all to do when y'all cut grass is cut it like in the weekend, not on the weekdays, because you got school on the weekdays. So cut it on the weekend. Cut like four grasses every single week. You can like knock on doors and be like, "Oh, can I cut your grass?" And you'll get no's a lot because they already got people cutting the grass. But some people will say yes, so they'll pay you like it's a normal lawn. They pay you $25. If it's like a bigger lawn, they pay you 50. So cut grass every single day. So I advise y'all to knock on as many doors as possible so I can get the most money y'all can at a young age. Number two is, bro, you can start working at Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A hires at 14 years old. You won't have to be that old. They'll probably hire you to do dishes. Uh, if y'all really go to Chick-fil-A or like if y'all like go to the drive-thru, you'll be like the type of dude like check the orders outside. But you gotta have a good memory though. You gotta listen. You gotta focus. Y'all gotta focus. You cannot be off task because you'll get fired automatically. Like I snap, but I can't snap. But y'all will get fired automatically if you don't be on task. You gotta be focused on everything you wanna do. And that probably on Chick-fil-A, what else? Yeah, you'll probably be clean like wiping down the tables and stuff. Number three, you can work at a grocery shopping place. You'll probably be a grocery bagger, so when somebody like gets their stuff, so you put the groceries in the bag, so yeah, and then you'll probably like take the carts. But I advise y'all, that's like a slave job, like any job is a slave job, but you can do it if you want to. It probably pay like $9 or $7 an hour. It depends how old you are though, but yeah. The other one is you can like make money off social media. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all can do anything y'all want. You just gotta put y'all mind to it. You can make money off social media, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch. You can be whatever you want. I advise y'all to start playing games if y'all are good at it and streaming. Cause you would get big off that. People like to be entertained, so you can get money off of that. The other one is what else you can make money as a teenager? I'm trying to think. Shoot, you can if you're like a girl, you can start doing people's hair. That's easy money right there. If you're a girl or you're a boy that does hair, or yeah, you can be a barber. You can be a barber. Start cutting hair in the school bathroom for free. Once you get good at it, you can charge like a good amount, $10 or $15. You get good at it. Start cutting hair in the school bathroom. You'll get a lot of customers. And then once you get good at it, people will come in the bathroom like during passing periods or school lunch or any period. They will charge you. They'll be like, oh, I want to get a haircut for like $10 or any hair price, and you'll get money from that in school. The other one is you can sell what do you call it? Sell food in school because people will ask. You can sell gum in school for like $1 or like a cent, like what do you call it, 59 cents or 60 cents. That's easy money right there because people will want food in school, but they don't have. Some people don't got like candy and stuff. Sell candy in school, but you do not get caught. Might be a bad idea, but I've done it before. I got like $30 a day at school. That was in middle school. I was like hustling, bro. But y'all can do anything. If you're a girl, start doing boys' hair, twisting their hair and stuff. That's easy money right there. $60 for a retwist and like yeah, anything. $60 for twist, braids, and anything. Start doing boys' hair. That's easy money right there. If you know them in school, start doing their hair. That's easy money right there. And y'all, that's how to get money as a teenager. I got more videos on the way about that. Bro, I'm telling y'all gotta get on y'all grind, man. I'm on my grind right now. Y'all, that's how to get money as a teenager, bro. I love y'all. Take care of yourself. I love y'all. Peace.